Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit photo on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit photo on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And in order to proceed from over here guys, you'll be required to tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen. Let's tap on it. And over here guys, you'll be on the camera section of your phone. Either you can upload your photo from your phone, or you can just take a picture. We'll be just taking a picture guys. So you can see there is the photo option. We are on the currently photo option, and before you begin, at the top right corner of your screen you can see guys, there is the flash option available if you want to turn on the flash, and the ratio with the beautify option with some effects over here you can see. And with that being done, let's tap on the photo click, and let's click a photo. And now in order to proceed to edit photo on TikTok, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there are a bunch of options available for us. You can see the edit button available for us just below the message. In order to edit your photo on TikTok, tap on that edit button, and you can see guys, a lot of options are available for us. And even though we had taken a picture, TikTok has made it 10 seconds long for us to optimize some edits over here. Now in order to edit it, you can see a bunch of options at the bottom of the screen where you'll be able to where you'll be able to split it. You can see guys, there are a lot of options where it says smart trim. If you tap on the smart trim guys, you'll be able to smart trim it, which means that guys, it will be trimmed automatically by your Instagram. And let's tap on the cancel over here. Choose make sure to try that option also. You can replace the photo, you can crop it guys, you can rotate it, you can delete it from over here. So you can add some sounds, whichever you may like. You can add a music, you can add some sound effect, you can add voiceovers, you can add a text from over here. If you add on tap text, let's add it, and let's tap on the done. You can see you can choose your colors. You might want to choose the timing of the text over here, and after that you can see you can edit your text. You can text to speech, you can copy it. Let's go back, and you can try out effects which are suitable for your photo, and you can see it's been used. And with that being done guys, all of the you might want to try out all of these effects just to see which of these edits suits best for your photo on TikTok. And after that guys, you can tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen after you have edited your photo. And either you can choose to post this photo, or you can just save it to your phone. And again, on this interface at the right side of the screen guys, you can see you can still do a bunch of edits over here. You can add some filters, you can choose to add stickers, text. There are a lot of things over here you can try. Do make sure to try out all of these in order to see what kind of photo your turns out after you have done it, you have edited it. And after that guys, you can just post it, or you can just save it. To save it, at the right side of the screen, tap on that drop down arrow, and at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see the save button available. If you tap on save, it will be saved to your phone guys. And with that being done guys, this is how to edit photo on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.